Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a fantastic find that's perfect for all the dog lovers out there, especially if you have two furry friends. We're diving into the world of matching dog costumes, and trust me, this one is a showstopper. Introducing the Cowboy Rider dog costume, a delightful ensemble that brings together fun, creativity, and a bit of cowboy charm. Let's jump right into it. This costume comes with everything you need to transform your dog into a stylish cowboy rider. It includes a night-style doll hat, a cute money bag, and of course, the saddle pet costume itself. Designed to make your pets look adorable and funny, this costume adds a festive atmosphere to any occasion. Especially Halloween parties, cosplay events, or even just a fun day out at the park. Picture this. Two dogs strutting their stuff, one dressed as a dashing cowboy, and the other as their trusty steed. It's guaranteed to turn heads and bring smiles. Now, let's talk about the materials. The Cowboy Rider dog costume is made from breathable, soft, and skin-friendly polyester fiber. This means it's lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for your pets to wear without any fuss. The fabric is also designed to be durable, ensuring that it won't easily tear or fade after a few uses. Your pups will not only look cute, but they'll also feel comfortable wearing this costume, which is super important for any pet owner. One of the standout features of this costume is its considerate design. The saddle-shaped costume is incredibly easy to wear. It features adjustable straps, allowing you to customize the fit according to your dog's size. This ensures that your pet feels cozy and snug, without feeling restricted. Whether you have a pug, a French bulldog, or a Jack Russell Terrier, this costume caters to a variety of dog sizes, making it an ideal choice for multi-pet households. Imagine the fun you'll have dressing up your dogs and capturing those unforgettable moments. The Cowboy Rider dog costume isn't just a costume, it's a way to create lasting memories with your furry friends. Whether it's for a family party, a dog-themed event, or a Halloween bash, your pets will steal the show. Before we wrap up, let's not forget how much joy these costumes can bring to your pets and your family. Dressing up your dogs can elevate any occasion, adding a playful and humorous touch. Plus, it can serve as a great conversation starter when you're out and about. The Cowboy Rider dog costume is available in multiple sizes, including small, medium, and large, so you can find the perfect fit for your four-legged companions. At just $20.99, it's an affordable way to add some fun to your pet's wardrobe. So, if you're looking for the best matching dog costumes for two dogs this Halloween, look no further than the Cowboy Rider dog costume. This delightful outfit is sure to bring smiles, laughter, and a whole lot of adorable moments. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Until next time, happy howling!